guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you guys the CVS Ad Preview for next week. So with Easter right around the corner, Easter is, as you see, April 12th. Last kind of minute deals to get some little things for Easter baskets. There's a lot of good candy deals going on at both Walgreens and CVS. So this ad is going to cover Sunday, March 29th until the following Saturday, April 4th. So we are getting 4 coupon inserts coming in our Sunday paper. So if you haven't seen my coupon insert preview, I will have that linked at the end of this video. We're getting 2 Smart Source, a Retail Me Not, and a P&G insert. So our April P&G is coming out. I also have a giveaway going on currently in my Walgreens online haul video. So I will also have that linked at the end of this video. If you haven't watched that yet, make sure you head over there. All you have to do is subscribe, like the video, and then drop a comment below in my Walgreens online haul video. And that's how you would enter my giveaway. I will be announcing the winner tomorrow on Friday in my Walgreens 5 must-do deals video. So make sure you have that notification bell clicked. That way when I do post that winning video, you guys will be able to watch. The winner will have 2 days like usual to shoot me an email. Let me know you're the winner and send me your address so I can get out the products for you. So I'm giving out some beauty items again and the 4 inserts that we are going to be getting on Sunday. So let's go ahead and dive right into this insert preview. Let's see. Buy one, get one half off on these little Cadbury eggs and Reese eggs. We have another spring cash card deal. So this will be, I believe, the 3rd week in a row where you spend $30, you're going to get that $10 cash card. So a couple other different items are included this week. We have Poise and Depend. Again, if you're new to the channel or new to couponing, the scissors here means that we are getting a coupon in the Sunday paper. So I do have that listed in my coupon insert preview video. We have Charmin Bounty. I know obviously the paper products have been pretty cleared off the shelves for almost a month now. So I'll try to put together a scenario that don't include any of those just because every time I go to my stores, they're literally completely empty. So we also have Pantene. We're getting a 3 off of 3 coupon. Typically, we get the 5 off of 3 coupons, so a little lesser of a value, but if you have a hair care CRT or anything, of course, that'll definitely be some great savings. And anything throughout the ad that you see this little $10 symbol, that means it is included in the cash card deal. So we have Tide Pods, Gain Flings, we have more paper products here, and we have Pampers. So they'll be on sale 2 for $20. And that is included in the cash card deal. We also have some Tampax and Always. We're getting coupons in our Sunday paper again as well. Revlon, spend 10, get a 4. We don't have any coupons or anything right now for that, so I'm going to stay away from Revlon until we can get some more coupons. L'Oreal Cosmetics, buy 2, get a $5 extra buck, limit of 3. Sally Hansen, spend 15, get a $5 extra buck. We have Gillette Venus Razors, spend 25, get a $10 extra buck. We're getting a $2 coupon for the Colgate in our Sunday paper. So I'll have to check when the $2 Colgate coupon expires. So hopefully we'll be able to use that one. If we are, that would make this a nice little moneymaker. If not, I would go to Colgate.com. You can print $1 off coupons for the Optic White or 75-cent coupons for the Colgate Max. So that would definitely make it a better deal. Some different beer deals, some wine deals. So with the coronavirus going on and a lot of states mandating a stay-at-home policy, they are going to be giving you free 1 to 2 day delivery on prescriptions and everyday essentials. So it has to be the essential items. Everything else is not going to be in the same time frame of delivery, but you can do them online. Hallmark, spend 10, get a $2 extra buck. More deals for the cash card. We have the Tide 37 to 46 ounce, and the Downy Wrinkle Guard. Those are both on sale, $5.94. We have some more paper products here. If they're in store, fingers crossed that we can start stocking up again. Clorox, I haven't seen any again in weeks. Dry dog or cat food, buy 2, get a $3 extra buck. Here are some more candy deals. Starburst and Snickers, 2 for $6. There's a $1 off 2 coupon coming in the Sunday paper. And M&Ms, I love M&Ms. They are 2 for $5, getting a $1 extra buck when you buy 2, and a coupon coming in the Sunday paper. So final cost is just $1.50 each, which is a great deal because original price they're $4. Some water is $2.99 for a 24 pack. Not a bad deal there if you guys want to stock up on some water. Here are some more beauty deals on the right. We have Paparazzi nail polish. Buy 2, get a $4 extra buck. I have been getting the $1 off of 5 Paparazzi nail polish, and those are on sale always 2 for $5. Milk, buy 1, get a $1 extra buck. I believe that is a regional deal. There were some Ibotta rebates as well, 25 cents back on any milk, so you might want to check that out. Any Neutrogena cosmetics, get a $6 extra buck when you buy 2, and there is a $2 off coupon in the app, so that would be an $8 total of savings. Okay, Nivea body wash and Nivea lotion is on sale again. They're $7 when you buy it with a card, so you do have to be a CVS Rewards member to get this price point. We are getting a $3 instant coupon from the red box, so final cost would be $4 each. I'll have to see if we have any coupons or anything. Nivea body wash is my favorite, but for $4 that's still pretty expensive, so have to see if we can put something together there. More hair care deals that are included in the cash card. I'm probably going to be including the Head & Shoulders. We have a $3 off 2 coupon coming in the Sunday paper. We usually get a digital for the Head & Shoulders and a digital for the herbal essences. Dove, buy 1, get 1 half off, and spend 12, get a $4 extra buck. Suave, St. Ives, and Love Beauty and Planet, all included, and it is a limit of 1. If you sign up on Dove.com for their email blast, sometimes they'll email you coupons for a $1 off of Dove. Suave, I figured we were going to be getting a good deal because we have Suave coupons coming in the Sunday paper. So Suave Professionals is on sale 2 for $6. Buy 3, get a $3 extra buck, and we have a 3 off of 2 coupon coming in the Sunday paper. I believe we also have a $1 off 1 coupon coming, so you could either buy 4 of those or buy the 3. I will put together a deal in the must do deals video for the Suave for sure. Garnier is on sale again. This has been a pretty repeat deal consistently for the last couple of months. Buy 2, get a $5 extra buck. Soft soap body wash, $4.99. We're getting a $1 off coupon in the Sunday paper. I believe that coupon is regional. Sometimes my region usually gets 75 cents, but I'm showing $1 here and I have my zip code typed in. So fingers crossed we all get $1 off. If you have a body wash CRT, I have a couple different body wash CRTs. That might wind up being a pretty good deal. Okay, now for some oral care. The large Crest scopes are on sale $4.99. There's a $1 off coupon coming in the Sunday paper. I believe it's in the PNG insert. Then when you buy 1, you get a $2 extra buck. If you have a $1 off 5 mouthwash CRT or a $1 off any mouthwash CRT, that would be a great deal to do. And it is a limit of 2, so you can go ahead and buy 2 of these and then you'll get $4 in extra bucks back. What else? Crest is going to be included in the cash card deal. Arm & Hammer. Secret deodorant, 2 for $10. $1 off 2 coupon coming as well. Let's see. Not the best deal there. We usually get those a lot cheaper. We'll get like an extra buck deal or something like that. So we have some baby items. CVS healthcare items are also included in the cash card deal, which is great. Enfamil powder is spend 40, get a $10 extra buck. I think I got a couple CRTs for that actually. I'll have to double check. That might be a good deal. Any You by Kotex, we're getting a $1 sent to card coupon, and it's buy one, get one half off. Buy two, get a $2 extra buck. So it says any You by Kotex as well, which is awesome. Cheapest item is, I think, like $1.79 or something like that. So if you have a feminine care CRT, that can usually make for a freebie or a nice little moneymaker. Playtex, Carefree and Stay Free, we're getting a 3 off 2 digital coupon. Hopefully this deal would be available online because it is a digital coupon, so that would be great to take advantage of. Some more medicine deals. Claritin, we're getting a ton of coupons in our Sunday paper, so if that is something that you guys use, stocking up this weekend may be good. Walgreens has a better deal going on next week for Ricola because they have a $1 Walgreens coupon and a $1 off of 2 manufacturers coupons. So if you like Ricola and you need to stock up, Walgreens, they are 2 for $3. $7 extra buck when you buy any of these products. And buy 2 Prevagen, if I'm saying that right, Prevagen, and get a $5 extra buck, and that is an offer limit of 1. So that is the ad going on for next week. A ton of great deals, and I'm glad there's so many different items that we can include for the cash card deal. I will have a couple different scenarios for you guys as well, like usual. If you want to use Fetch Rewards and learn about how to use that app, I did post a video the other day for all of the features and how you can redeem your points for gift cards, which is how when I shop at CVS, I always pay $0 out of pocket after rolling extra bucks and gift cards. So click on this video here in the top right for my Fetch Rewards video. Also, my Walgreens online haul, enter the giveaway. Click this video here in the top left. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.